viewers, my name is Oluwatosin, your e-commerce expert that you can always trust. This video is the completion of our previous video. If you have not watched that, go and watch the previous video before you watch this one. It's the completion of our previous video on how to buy our domain name and hosting from Bluehost for our e-commerce business. So in this video, we'll be rounding it off by what? By setting up our WordPress website, installing the necessary plugin, and ensuring that our website functions well actively. So without further ado, like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel, and also turn on the bell notification. So let's meet in the class.
Hello, welcome to this tutorial once again. Okay, let us have the continuation of our website domain name and hosting purchase. So let's try to set up the website properly. So to do that, we bought our domain from Bluehost. So we now go to bluehost.com. So once you log into bluehost.com, it's loading bluehost.com. So you go to login. You click on login. Click on login to log in into your account. It's saying that domain, that means the login into your account, email or domain. So let me input my password. So input your password. We just want to set up the website so that it can look so nice. I noticed that in your website it's still showing coming soon, that the website is coming soon. We are going to remove it and also do other things to ensure that the website is in good condition. I don't know why the network is not friendly. Yeah, we are here. Under normal conditions, I'm supposed to log in into our WordPress, but I don't want to log in into our WordPress now. I will go to my website because I want to set, there are some things I have to set here. So my website here, once you click on my website, go to manage website. You can see here, you will see your name, Carbonate, or what's the name of the website, sorry, you see it. So this is my manage website. So I click on manage website. I haven't clicked on manage website. The first thing that you need to check, go to security here. Check if your SSL certificate is on. SSL certificate, you ensure that these ones are on, these two are on. If your own is not on, so you turn the both on. So you check for that. My own is on. That SSL certificate, it makes our website to be secure. And if your website does not have SSL certificate, that's why the website will be saying not secure. So, website that is not secure, you will see it with HTTP. But a secure website, we have you can see now this one is having padlock. this padlock is telling you that this connection is secure. You can see, so it means that it has HTTPS. So are you getting it? So you ensure that these are turned on. Okay, and you also come down. Okay, you also go to, where will you go to? You come to the setting here. You under that setting, yes, under that setting you ensure that your site name is showing the right name, and you ensure that all these ones are turned on. And yes, I'm coming. Okay, you come here, you scroll down. You know, I told you that your website is still showing the website is still showing coming soon. So like my own now, it won't show coming soon because it is turned off. Like now, I know that your own will be on, so off it. So immediately you off it, you say a coming soon display is temporarily placed on hold that allowed visitors to know that the website is in process. So if you have your own on, turn it off. So immediately you turn it off, your website will be alive. So two things to be checked here. You check the setting to ensure that your website coming soon page, you remove it by turning it off. And you also go to, let me see, you don't need to go to user, you don't need, so you are still the person that is using it. You can go to overall, you don't need anything here, don't really need anything here. So it's under setting and security. Security is to ensure that your SSL certificate is installed. After that you now log in into your WordPress, because it's WordPress that we use for building of our website. So once you log in into your WordPress, now you see what's going to show. It's going to show something. Yeah, this is my WordPress. Awesome, you are the best using this one. Just delete it, because there are some things that will be showing here, they will not be reasonable. They just awesome, you're this, like this one now. Just I want the back end of our website to be very neat. This one too you can dismiss, so that the back end will be very, very neat. Let me see what other things I just displaying that I don't want it to display. Okay, so now, if you want to see how your website is looking like, you can come here and say visit website. Let me quickly visit my website and see how it be. You can see that this one now is secure. Okay, you go to welcome back and go to what? Dashboard. That's the back end of your website. That's where you do all your setting. So whatever setting that you do in this back end, this dashboard will now appear to the people. So what are those things that we should take note of? The first of all, let's go to plugin. Plugin, they are just like an application on your phone, like on laptop. Now you have to download so many software, so that maybe you need Microsoft Word, you download it. To maybe you want to type, if you want to to be designing logo, you will download some apps on. Also the same thing on this. So we use plugin. So let's see install plugin. Go to install plugin. Plugins, they are just like an application or tools that allow our website, other things to work perfectly. I can use this one. So now there are some things here that we remove. Let me first deactivate this one. I will deactivate it. There are some plugins here that I don't want it. I will even like to deactivate everything. Let me deactivate all this plugin. So deactivate everything. So once you select all, now I've selected all. Yeah, I've selected all. So you come to bulk actions. What do you want to do? You want to deactivate all. I'm picking bulk action because I select all. So you can also delete it one by one. So you now apply the activation. So it has deactivated everything. Suppose you want to do anything one by one, I can delete it or delete one by one here. You see, I will delete it. But if I want to carry out bulk actions, that's when I just select all. So now once I deactivate, I have to delete so that they won't appear again. So we still install the necessary plugin, but most time the plugin that came with it, I don't really like it. So now you delete. After you deactivated those plugins, you delete them so that they won't appear again. Good. You can reload. Good. Yeah, that's very good. Let me go to my dashboard now. You see how it looks like. Okay, actually this is the theme that I download because I want to be using this website for blogging, so that's why I use this theme. But now this is not blogging that you are doing, so go back to back end now. So I haven't gone to back end. I haven't gone to back end. So now we now need some plugins to ensure that our website functions very well. So we will need some plugins. So now we download our own plugin. Let me go to under this plugin. Now you come to add new. So once you come to add new, what are the plugins that we need? There are some plugins that you will see that will appear. Are you getting it? Yeah, like this one now. We will need this plugin Jetpack. Since you see it here, you just click on install Jetpack. Install. So once you install, you activate. Yeah, you activate. So what Jetpack means that is a kind of statistic plugin that whatever that is happening, the number of visitors we have, how people are buying, so it is going to help us to track it. So you can see the back end. So now you can click on set up Jetpack. So when you click on set up Jetpack, okay, Jetpack, so this one I would like to continue without using email because I've let me see, continue without user account, and that's what I will do. You can use the email, but me I've used the email for something else. So continue without, so we have to use it for free. It seems we use it for free. We don't want let me see. So let me come here. I want to use it for free. Oh, where is it? Start for free. Yeah, Jetpack for free. So we don't have money to be buying the premium version, so it's now on it for free. So the next thing now is still go back to plugin. It's as if you are installing some application on your website. So add new. So you add new plugin. So let's still see some plugins too. So Jetpack is for tracking of events. Which other plugin we need here? Okay, yes, we need this plugin. You can type it here, Elementor. We need Elementor plugin. Elementor plugin is what we use for building our page. If you want to build sales page, I said we need Elementor plugin. So now this is it. This is the logo of that Elementor website builder. So you install it. We use Elementor to build our page, maybe our sales page, landing page. So you activate, you can see install and activate. We also need a kind of complementary to this Elementor. So the complementary to this Elementor is okay, you can dismiss this one. So you can see we now have 2 plugins installed. So you still go back to new again. So when you go back to new, you see, you type that Elementor again, once again, Elementor. Yeah, but we don't need to install it again, it's active. So we want to install essential add-on for Elementor. That means it's a kind of plugin that makes Elementor to also work well. We install it and we activate. We install and activate. Which other plugin we need to install and activate? Okay, we need yeah, we still add new plugins. So which other plugins? Very important. Yeah, we need this plugin. Insert, you type insert header and footer. Insert header and footer, we need that because if you want to put some code on our website, we are going to need it. So this one, insert header and footer by WP Beginner, you install it and you click on activate. Okay, we can see you can go to add new here. There is also, even if you click on, you can click on install plugin now to see all the plugins that we have installed. You can see. Let me close this one. I always like my dashboard to be very neat. So you can see all the plugins that we have installed now. We have installed Elementor, add-on, this, blah blah, like 4. So we can also add new here, plugins, add new from the top here. Let me still see which plugin we need. Tracking code manager. Yeah, because by the time we are installing our Facebook, so we want our tracking, we want it to track our activities. So you install, this is the tracking code manager. You install and you activate. Which other plugin do I normally use? Okay, as we proceed, so this one will tell you that you set it up or blah 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 blah. Let me see. Okay, so another thing that we need to do is that we have installed plugins. Yeah, let's now go to appearance. Let's apply theme to our, what's it called, our website. You go to theme. Under this appearance, you can see these are functionalities like a kind of menu on our website. Dashboard, home, jetpack, post, pages, blah blah blah. You have it now. So now we go to appearance. That appearance, you pick the sub menu. There is what's it called, theme. So let's install. You understand when we say theme, that means the kind of theme that we have on our website too. Like now, this is the theme that I install on my website. Yes, this thing, because I want to use this website for blogging. So like you now, under this theme you can say, let me cancel this one. You can say add new. Let's search for this theme. This theme is just very good, so you can install this theme on your phone, on your website. We call it FS Popular. You type it here inside. This is it. So let's preview. You can preview how it looks like, how the theme looks like, and you can install it. Popular FS. Okay, it's even Popular FS. You activate it. Wow, so we have activated it. The next thing that we do is that, let me see other things that we can do. Okay, let's even see how our website has looked like. Let me delete all this one. No thank you. I just always want so you can go to dashboard, or go to this place and call what, and visit your website to see how it looks. This is the way it looks. Yeah, this one means that, let's assume that you want to like design. This is the way website be. So actually this website, we can design it such a way that it's going to look like normal attracting website, but most time we are selling, we don't really design the website, because what that matters to us is the page. But in case you want to design it, I can show you later. But now go back to your dashboard again. So when you have gone to your dashboard again, let's go to let me go to general, to setting. Under setting, let's see general. Let's see under general. Like now, when you go to setting general, like now you can type the name of your website here. Like me now, maybe I can type Babatov, the name of my website, Babatov. Instead of that, welcome, Babatov. Yes, Babatov Yes, I can say we care about your online business growth. Feel free to reach us. So that one, excuse me. So you may ensure that your website are correctly named here. Okay, you come down and what, and save the changes. Still come back to setting, see setting, change setting, save. Still come back to setting. We are through with general. You can come to permanent link. That permanent link is the way you want your URL to be appearing. Just come to this place and pick post name. That means anything you post, you want it to be your website your website site slash that name of that post. So okay, what happened to network? Yeah, we have picked what's your post name, so you save. Let me go to that theme again. Team details. You can see now that thing has written Babatov Care we cares about, but today we are not here to customize our theme, so is to install, to put on things in order. So I'll go back to the setting. Okay, I've done permalink. Okay, which other this thing I want to do? Okay, let me see, dashboard, media, let me see, theme, background. I'm just trying to remember other things to put. Okay, let me go to user. Let me go to all user. So I'm actually the one using it. User one, user blah blah. Let me see, do we need to edit that? I don't think. Let me see. Under this user you can set new password. Actually, this WordPress, we are not supposed to be logging it from what was it called, Bluehost. We can also log in from let me see, from setting. Okay, this user, so let me edit this user. Z. You can come, enable key shortcuts for comment, blah 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 blah. I want to put username. Okay, saying that username cannot be changed. Why? So let me set new password. Let me set new password. update the profile. So as I've set the new user password, let me try and log out. This is the way it's going to be. You can see. Why do we need to do this? Let me see now. Let me show you something. Okay, I've closed the tab already. Normally, if I want to log into my back end of my website, I'm not supposed to. It's not every time that we're passing through Bluehost, because they are the domain and hosting provider. As this is the normal, we're supposed to enter my my website, babatovcares.com. I'll now put slash. Anytime I want to, if I place babatovcare.com and I enter, it's going to load my website. Do you see it? It has loaded my website, though I've not designed it. But under normal condition, let me put, there are some things that we have to enter our back end. I'll now put slash wp hyphen, you put hyphen admin. It's telling you that. So anytime you want to log in into your back end of your website slash wp hyphen admin, so you press enter. So once you press enter, let's see, it's loading. Yeah, so now it's going to ask you for username. You can put username or address. You now put the password that you just created. You can pick remember me, so anytime you just log in every time. You can see, wow. So you can see we don't need to move from we actually move from Bluehost because there are some settings that we need to set to do. See, are you getting it? So that's why. So so this is how to set up our website to ensure that everything's are in order. We installed our plugin. So the next lesson now we are going to talk about, let me see other things. Before I finalize this lesson, there's a plugin that I'll be using for building our page. I call the plugin Elementor. You can see it here. I actually install it from what's it called? Let me go to install plugin. So let me go to install plugin. If you want to install new plugin, I say you can come here, maybe new, add new here, or you say add new here. So there are two ways you can add plugin. You can add directly from the ones that are available within your website by searching, or probably take for instance now this plugin Elementor has a premium version. So anytime we say premium version of a plugin or premium version of a software, it means that one is a paid version. That means it's going to have more features than like this one now, the one that I install. This Elementor that I install is just a free version. You can see, let me type it again, Elementor. You can see this one is a paid version. You can see it's a it's a free version. And how do you know? Go to install plugin. You will see it's going to be asking you that buy the pro. You can see that go for pro. So that pro, if you want to buy pro will give you more features to be used. Even add-on to guides as pro. So this is what we are going to do. Actually the pro of, when you have the pro of Elementor, is very, very good. But let me see, the pro we have to pay for it, and it's not no be small dollar. Let me even try and see the pro. How much are we going to pay for pro? To use pro plan, let me go to pricing. Pro plan will give you more features. Can you see? $41, $49 per year. So, but thank God I have a bypass way of doing that. You see, I have the Pro. So how do I install the Pro? So you click on add new. So when you click on add new plugin, so instead of searching, because even if you search here, you cannot see Pro. You can't see Pro. You can't see the Pro version. So I will now click on what? Upload plugin. So if you want to add plugin, you can add by from the one that the website or you upload. So let me upload and see if I can still get the file of the one that the Elementor. Choose file. Let me see. That's the Elementor now. Let me see. Okay, I've seen my mistake. I am installing the one of zip. I supposed to install the unzip one. So let me click on this. Let's see. Yeah, successfully installed. You can see successfully installed. Yeah, that mistake that we made there is due to, so I will remove it from the video. So let's see. Now, so since we have installed, we now pick what? Activate plugin. So I'm going to click on activate plugin. So I now have the Pro version. You can see I now have the Pro version now. So if I go back to my install plugin, let's see all the plugins that we have here. You can see Elementor Pro. Yeah, so now we are set for our page building. Page building. So I'm gonna end this lesson here, this tutorial here. So thank you for watching.